Most solar trail cameras on the market rely on outdated tech and underperform in cold weather. A wrong pick wastes cash, battery life, and could miss critters at dawn. Ever wish a solar trail camera could actually perform when you need it most? This guide sorts the field so you grab the right unit the first time. Today, I'm going to be going over the best solar trail cameras that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the MAXDONE Solar Trail Camera. From the moment you unbox it, the rugged housing and weather sealing suggest durability for remote scouting and year-round outdoor use. It ships with a 32GB SD card included, ensuring immediate setup for capturing wildlife without extra card purchases. The aluminum chassis and secure latching mechanism convey a premium build quality designed to withstand rain dust and cold night cycles. Its rugged shell carries an IP66 waterproof rating and a compact footprint ideal for trees, fences, and ground blind setups. A standard tri-mount footprint and adjustable strap slots provide flexible installation on trunks posts or hidden camera setups. The technical core relies on built-in solar charging with a 6,000 mAh battery and Wi-Fi 6 along with Bluetooth control. For imaging, it captures 64 megapixel stills and 4K video designed to reveal wildlife textures in any lighting. Even at night, the infrared system reaches up to 65 feet, delivering clear details while avoiding wildlife disturbance. The trigger activates in under a tenth of a second, ensuring rapid capture of swift wildlife even when movement is minimal. Smart motion detection with a wide detection angle guarantees multiple shot bursts without wasting memory on idle frames. The combination of solar charging and the included 32GB SD card supports extended monitoring without frequent recharges. Compared to a leading Browning model, the MAXDONE Solar Trail camera provides smoother app control and noticeably improves solar uptime overall. The pros include long solar battery life, rugged weatherproof build, and rapid trigger speed. The cons include limited connectivity due to built-in hotspot only and premium price. At number 4, we have the Moultrie Edge. For serious hunters and property managers, this networked solar trail camera promises maintenance-free operation and peace of mind across seasons. The Edge combines rugged weather-resistant housing with a substantial integrated solar panel and built-in rechargeable battery, designed for versatile mounting. Integrated panel angle adjustment allows sun exposure optimization from various mounting positions, ensuring steady power flow across changing seasons and weather. The AI buck detection reduces false alerts, while instant high-resolution photos or HD video arrive through nationwide auto-connect across major networks. Automatic connection to the strongest of 4 major networks eliminates SIM searches and setup hassles, delivering reliable photos and videos on remote hunts. Capture settings boast 40 megapixel stills and 1080p video with audio, ensuring crisp recognition and informative footage. A rapid 0.4-second trigger and a 100-foot detection range capture fast movements with minimal blur. Remote access via Moultrie app allows on-demand video requests and cloud photo storage, removing the need to retrieve SD cards. Flexible plans start at $9.99 per month with no contracts, letting you scout year-round. Performance tested includes 40 megapixel photos and reliable low-glow infrared night vision reaching up to 100 feet. Compared with a standard AA battery-powered cellular camera, the Moultrie Edge eliminates regular battery swaps and adds solar charging for all-season reliability. The pros include solar-powered operation, AI buck detection, and cloud storage with remote access. The cons include premium price and network dependence. In use, the Moultrie Edge app delivers straightforward setup, real-time status, and customizable settings with infrared night vision reaching 100 feet. At number 3, we have the Assark Solar Trail Camera. Designed for wildlife watchers and remote property guardians, this solar-powered camera promises continuous operation in tough climates and rugged outdoor use. For hunters, wildlife researchers, and land managers, the camera offers practical value by delivering timely footage and dependable remote monitoring. Built with a rugged housing and a robust solar panel, it withstands harsh weather thanks to IP66 rating. It ships with a 32GB microcard pre-installed and supports microcards up to 256 gigabytes. The feature set includes timestamp, time-lapse, operation hours, sound recording, programmable time zone, loop recording, and password protection. Built-in low-power Wi-Fi and Bluetooth deliver real-time previews through the TrialCam Go app within about 45 feet. Equipped with 48MP photos and full HD 1080p video with sound, it delivers vivid wildlife details after dusk. Nighttime capabilities rely on 2 upgraded 850nm low-glow LEDs paired with advanced image sensors to capture clearer nocturnal scenes. With a rapid 0.2-second trigger, it captures action quickly, reducing missed moments when wildlife darts through the frame. Compared to standard non-solar cameras, the Assark solar trail camera offers longer uptime thanks to its integrated solar panel and rechargeable battery. The pros include solar-powered operation with extended autonomy, IP66 rugged build, and high-resolution photos and videos. The cons include reliance on the TrialCam Go app for previews and a range limited to around 45 feet. In field testing, the camera demonstrated reliable daytime performance and consistent motion activation, while solar power maintained operation through extended daylight hours. Overall, the Assark Solar Trail camera offers strong value for its class, especially for buyers prioritizing energy independence and rugged outdoor use. At number 2, we have the iZEEKER Solar Trail Camera. From the moment you unbox, the iZEEKER Solar Trail camera signals a rugged focus aimed at wildlife observers and property guardians alike. Its dual power supply, combining a built-in rechargeable lithium battery with a top-mounted solar panel, promises extended field operation. With no Wi-Fi dependency, it suits remote installations where simple, offline performance matters most. The camera features a rugged weather-ready shell and a sturdy integrated structure that protects the LCD and lens while enabling easy mounting, reinforced by an IP66 rating. The dual-power design reduces maintenance by letting the solar panel and battery share the load, simplifying field deployments. Key technical highlights include ultra-high 4K 48MP resolution, coupled with low-glow infrared LEDs for clear night imagery. In comparison with conventional trail cameras without solar power, this unit offers extended field operation and reduced maintenance. The pros include robust solar power integration, rugged IP66 waterproof design, and glow menu for easy setup. The cons include no Wi-Fi connectivity and sunlight dependence. Field tests show reliable triggering within 0.1 seconds and steady capture of sequences, even in moderate weather. It supports continuous loop recording and will overwrite older files when the SD card is full, though an SD card is not included. Easy setup is aided by a glow menu button design and straightforward card insertion, making nighttime adjustments hassle-free. The max detection distance is 20 meters and the field of view spans 90 degrees, facilitating reliable monitoring. Overall, the iZEEKER Solar Trail camera offers a compelling combination of solar-powered autonomy, robust build quality, and practical features for wildlife and security monitoring. At number 1, we have the Solar Trail camera. From the moment you open the box, the Solar Trail camera communicates rugged intention for remote properties and serious wildlife monitoring. Its rugged IP66 weatherproof housing resists dust and downpours, giving consistent performance through storms and dusty backcountry expeditions. The camera records 5K video and 60-megapixel stills using a starlight lens that preserves grain control across challenging light. Night vision delivers reliable footage after dark with a wide detection zone, ensuring wildlife activity is captured without approaching too closely. Setup is rapid thanks to a wire-free solar panel design, comprehensive included accessories, and straightforward mounting options suitable for farms or forests. Long runtime relies on a 5,200 mAh battery plus an optional AA stack to extend autonomy during cloudy spells. Engineered to endure extreme conditions, the IP66 enclosure seals out dust and rain, maintaining functionality from sub-zero dawns to hot noons. During field tests, the camera delivered crisp 60MP stills and clear 5K video under forest shade, maintaining consistent exposure across transitions. Wireless connectivity supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling quick transfers to mobile devices, while the companion app provides remote status checks. Compared with a typical non-solar unit, this model delivers continuous power and easier setup for backcountry monitoring. The pros include reliable power, a rugged build, and easy setup, along with weather tolerance and seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. Included with the kit is a 64GB microSD card along with mounting hardware, giving immediate storage capacity for high-volume footage. If you value consistent power, rugged build, and top-notch video quality, this Solar Trail camera is the ideal choice.